What's up, editors? It's your guy Editorian here, and I know many of you are tired of creating the same old boring football edits. Well, today's the day we level up. In this video, I'll be sharing my secrets on how to create stunning AI-like football edits using CAPCUT. Stay tuned until the end for a special link to CAPCUT Pro, which will pop up throughout the video. Let's dive in and take your editing skills to the next level.